You are looking at a reliable Toyota Hilux. This is the car, one of the most dependable trucks on the road. Let me take you around to see the body. Everything works. So I'm also gonna take you on the inside. Now we're gonna go inside the car, look inside the car. Let's crank it. Cold crank, it's a 4-wheel drive, 5-speed. Give it a cold crank. Turn the key. Crank right away. Let's go look under the hood. We're under the hood now. Want to show you how solid this car is. Got a brand new battery, Bosch. Brand new hand pump. Let's get some power. Let's see how it sounds.